Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at a series of wallet cases that are designed specifically for the iPhone 10 and the 10X Max. Let's go ahead and check it out. Now I have a lot of friends that are really avid wallet style case users. They either have it on their Note 9 and their S9 or on their iPhone. And Shieldon is a great company to consider when looking for cases. We're going to take a look at all these cases. We're going to see what their features are. We're going to do a wireless charging test, and we're going to see how it fits and the overall quality of the case. By the way, these are genuine leather cases, so you can't go wrong with one of these. So stay tuned. Let's check them out.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now, as we mentioned, these cases are genuine leather. I just wanted to show you some of the quality here before we go through the actual review themselves and see what our phone looks like on them. So one of the things that you'll find if you've ever picked up a Shieldon case is the overall texture of the leather just feels so nice in the hand. While you would think that it would be smooth, it actually has somewhat of a texture to it, but it's a really nice feeling texture. It's kind of like between being buttery smooth and then having a little bit of abrasion, but not much at all. It feels very nice in the hand, has fantastic stitching going all the way around, and we'll flip this over so you can see it. Going all the way around, no loose strands at all. Everything's cut out. Everything smells absolutely great with this. Nice interior finish right here. You can use your phone in multiple angles, so you can have it like this, for example. Credit cards, little wallet area, a little strip of the leather material that they use, genuine leather. And then you have this TPU case in the inside with all these patterns just in case you drop it. Magnetic closing too, which rocks. Now, once again, very nice to the touch, and it's available in multiple colors. So you can see that we have these three colors available here. This is kind of like a deep navy blue, and we also have one here for the iPhone 10s. So these cases, these right here will fit the 10s Max, and this one will work on the 10 and the 10s. So let's go ahead and look at what the phones look like in these cases. We'll do a wireless charging test, and we'll check them out. All right, so let's take a look at the first case, and we're going to do a wireless charging test with one of the cases because they're all going to work the same. But I just wanted to show you, we'll see the look and feel of what your phone will look like in each one. So here's our phone. We're going to open it up. You'll notice really nice. I love the fact that it does not open. See, because of the magnetic. It has some great bumper material going all the way around here. So you see that there's some extra material here. You can see extra material here, extra here, and extra here. Charging port is there, and if I put this to charge on this wireless charger, I'm just going to open it up so we can see it. You'll notice that it does charge, right? So you can have it closed and it will charge. But really sharp looking case. You can see how much protection you have in the back right there. Pretty sharp, see that? So your camera lens is going to look really nice. Now let's go ahead and take a look at what this looks like in each one of the phones. So we're going to go ahead and take this case off. We'll go to the next one here so you can see what it would look like. And one of the things I like about their leather is just that it feels so nice. Also, it doesn't have an overpowering smell, but you definitely can smell that it's leather. Like the little logo here, company on the side, really clean looking case. Once again, everything looks very good. All right, let's check out the next case. Take this case off. Put this one back in place. I'm kind of a sucker for the brown color. I like my favorite is the black. So my favorite is this one right here, and then this is my second favorite right here. But feels really nice to the touch. That's what it would look like. All right, everything looks really good. Open it up. That's what it would look like. Let's go ahead and turn this off. Again, pretty sharp. All right, so now here's the last one. And again, buttery smooth type finish. Really smooth. This one has a little texture to it. Yeah, this is the only one that has a little texture. These are all really nice and smooth. This one has like a buttery feel to it. Very nice. You can see what that looks like. Really sharp. And then once again, you see that. I wonder if this has auto on because I'm noticing that. Let's see that one more time. Yes, it does. How do you like that? Auto on these. So I noticed that the phone was turning on every single time. All right, nice. Love that too. So auto on feature, which is pretty cool. And then again, nice textured inside. You can use all these cases as a media solution to hold up your phone so that you can watch a movie. All right, so one other thing I just wanted to mention that we didn't look at was the screen protection. So let's go ahead and open this up. I just wanted to show you. So this does have some screen protection. You notice how it comes up right there in that corner. This does not have any glass screen protector. So once you add a glass screen protector, I think this is going to be a little bit more flush. As we go back to this one right here, this one does have a glass screen protector. And you can notice that even though it has that lip there, put it at an angle, with this glass screen protector, it's almost at the same height, right? So these, again, will give you some screen protection, but if you add a screen protector, it's going to be pretty flush. The neat thing about this, though, is if you drop these cases, typically because of the battery, it's going to be closed. All right, guys, so that concludes our review of the Shieldon cases for the iPhone 10 Max and 10. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment area. Smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.